YouTube. I'm going to run through this Bishop Briggs song, Higher. It's a more intermediate lesson. So I'm going to not, teach as many little details. Alright, there's two versions of this song, and I'm just going to start it on the verse, because that's how I saw her do it live on a video. So that was the verse, F minor. In the beginning, I would just play like stabs, because it's kind of mellow and it builds up, and it goes to A flat major, and it goes to E flat. So F was the only minor chord. Then it repeats. A flat major, E flat major. It repeats twice. Now it goes to a pre-chorus. So that's D flat to A flat. E flat. Now we're going to get the F minor up here at the 8th fret. This is a passing chord. Then it begins again. Same as the first time, except when we get to the E flat, it goes to a B flat minor. And then the chorus begins. Back to the verse. And then there's like one little point in there where I think it's after the second chorus, where she kind of brings it down. There was a little breakdown section, and I would just go slide into the F, just with the power chord. 8-10, slide from 6-8. And then just I don't know if I went over the chorus chords. D flat major, A flat major, E flat major, F, E flat, D higher. Starts over. Okay, so that's how to play some rhythm guitar on Bishop Briggs Higher. Some of these parts you're going to be playing what the piano plays, like at the beginning. Those those are all being played on the keyboard. But then later, as it builds up, the whole band plays, and there's a guitar in the mix. Okay, and then I would do the syncopated. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.